Students, today we start a new chapter, that is reaching the grandmother house. Previous chapters 7 we are completed. From now moving to the new chapter, this is the introduction video, students. So chapter 8 introductions. In this session we are going to learn, students, about different modes of transport used by Omana. Yes, students, as she is going grandmother house, so what was the different modes of transport she used? Second, we discussed different views from ferry. And third, we discussed different uses of ferry. And next, we discuss reading different kinds of tickets. Yes, reading timetables of train. Okay, students, so these all things we are here in this chapter we are going to discuss. So please listen very carefully up to the last full video, students. Okay, so 17 May night, after long train journey, we reached Kottayam. Yes, students, Kottayam. This is Kerala map, and you see Kozhikode, and there is Kottayam. Students, see in the map Kottayam, where Omana is reached now, and Kozhikode is the place where Sunil and his family get off from the train. So on 17 May night, we reached Kottayam railway station after a long train journey. Students, 17 May night, point to be noted. And then we went to Valiamma house. Valiamma means, students, so in Malayalam, Valiamma means mother, sisters. Yes. What do we call students? Your mother's sister, Mashi. And your mother's mother, Nani. And your father's sister is Bua. Your father mother is Dadi. If we see that different states language, so in Kerala Malayalam language, in Goa Konkani, in Maharashtra Marathi, and in Gujarat Gujarati, Karnataka, students, which language? Kannada. So these all languages spoken in different states, students. As so in this chapter, students, different modes of transport used by Omana we are discuss here in this chapter. Different modes of transport. What are the different modes of transport used by Omana? So when she reached Kottayam railway station after a long journey, train journey, and then she went to Valiamma house. Then she take two auto rickshaws. Okay, and after that I really got tired and did not even want to eat anything. As Omana said that she really got tired and she did not wanted to eat anything, so I took a bath and went for a nap. And then my amma woke up me again. We got ready and went to the bus stand. Okay, see, they are using now bus stand. Appa bought tickets for all of us. After some times, the bus got really crowded, and after a long ride, we reached our stop. But the journey has not ended there. To cross the river, which was there, and then I saw a boat. So there are different uses of ferry, students. Amma told me that it is a ferry and people use it to cross the water and reach the other sides. Yes, students. Ferries are also used to carry vehicles as well. So as soon as ferry got empty, people from our side rushes to get a place in the ferry. Luckily, Omana got a place to stand against the railing. Okay, students. See one very nice video. Ferry, how it's transport the peoples and vehicles from one place to another. See this video very carefully, students. As you were saying, student, that how ferry carry the peoples from one place to another, and it's safely reach to the other sides. I got to see so many beautiful views from the ferry, like I saw ripplings of still water as the ferry moved, rows of coconuts on the banks of the river, people washing, fishing, bathing along the banks. So, students, what you observed here in the video, what is this? Can you guess? Yes, dear students, so this is a railway tickets. So in this chapter we are discuss about railway ticket also, and they say students what was the thing is mentioned in the railway tickets. Okay, you observe very carefully, students. So see the railway tickets very properly, date of journey, and some questions will be asking from here. So can you tell me, students, look at these pictures of railway tickets, find out the following informations on the ticket and circle them with different colors. So see, students, train number, you see the train number where it is written in the ticket. Yes, at the top you look at there, 9037 is a train number. The date of the start of the journey, where it is there, 24/12/2006. Moving to the next, they are asking the birth number. So birth number, say students, birth number is 21, 22, 23. So like these few questions are there. Now see, students, what is railway timetables? Railway timetables give details about the routes of every train, the station along the routes, what time the train will reach and leave each stations. Understood, students? Look at very carefully, student video. The distance covered also it's mentioned. We can buy a railway timetable from where, students? From a railway station. Okay. So railway timetables gives the details about the route of every trains. Okay, the stations along the routes and what time the train will reach and leave each station. So this we all information we get from railway timetables. How much distance covered also. Okay, students. So like see. Now see, student, some portions of the timetables for the route of the train on which Omana travels are given. Look carefully at it and answer the following questions. Okay, students, whatever the questions will become from this, you will be give the answer very properly. First of all, you look at this railway portion of the timetables for the route of the train on which Omana travels. Okay, so see a station, serial number, station name. Okay, station name, arrival time, the time when train arrive, and departures time also mentioned there in the timetable as I told earlier. And distance, see the kilometer, in kilometer, students, point to be noted, distance in which kilometer, day 1. Okay, so which day Umana reach, so everything is which day wise day they are mentioning in the timetable. So look at Gandhi Dham first, railway station name, starting of the journey, then Ahmedabad. So circle the names of all the station in the table that are mentioned in Omana diary. So as you know very well, students, so Omana diary you are already get the up to full video you are seeing. So circle them. So first of all Gandhi Dham, then Valshad, then Kozhikode, then Kottayam. So now Omana is in Kottayam. So we will circle all the station name here in the timetable. Okay, students. Next questions, few questions also asking from the timetables. So next question, from which station did the train start? So guess students, what will be the answer? From which station? Look at the timetable very carefully and you will give the answer very nicely. From which station did the train start? Student, look at the timetable very carefully and guess about your answer. Okay students, this is the introduction video, so you will get a full explanation of this timetable in the explanation video. Okay students, so now the answer, what will be that? From which station did the train start? The answer is the train started at Gandhidham station. Like this, few questions will be there from timetable, so we will discuss more about this in our explanation video. So that's all for today class students. Today introductions class is there about chapter 8. Okay, I hope you get all the clear ideas from about this chapter. So please see the next explanation videos very properly students. Thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.